An official with the disaster agency of Indonesia's West Sumatra province said on Tuesday evening that the death toll from the cold lava floods in the province has risen to 57, with 22 people still missing. Yuhan Wab, head of the Rehabilitation and Reconstruction Unit of the Disaster Management and Mitigation Agency of West Sumatra Province, said that the 22 people reported missing would be the target of the search and rescue operation. He added that the rescuers would focus on the estuaries of the rivers, as several bodies were already found in the areas. On land, the focus would be the spots where the victims were suspected to be buried by the cold lava. The cold lava floods on Saturday night, which were triggered by rains, destroyed houses, buildings, roads, and other infrastructure facilities in the regencies of Tanah Datar, Agam, and Prima, and Padang Panjang town.